Hey guys, and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I will be using a single sheet of paper from Artefacto that I glued just onto this board that is a leftover from the block of papers, and I will place this thin brush holder underneath my paper just to make a slight tilt. I will be using this watercolors from Earth set. These are my watercolors that I made myself, so they're also available at my shop for sale. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. There are also some palettes there still available, so just go ahead and check it out. First, I will be using a natural yellow. I did pre-wet the entire paper, so the paper is wet. And in the middle part, I'm painting in with natural yellow, adding a little bit also of the earth red, just to paint in some maybe distant bushes, trees, or something like that on the horizon line. And also I will be adding a little bit of the light brown at the bottom, just with the tip of my brush. The paper is wet, so the paint is bleeding, creating blooms and distant bushes. So also I will add a little bit of the darker brown at the very bottom. Again, paper is still wet, and a little bit of the black also. And afterwards I will rinse my brush, and since my paper is slightly tilted, I will add a clean water at the bottom, and it will help that paint to bleed down to the lower edge of my paper, creating some mist and fog in that part. Now I've mixed in a little bit of the earth green and black just to create a little bit more toned down green. And then at the bottom adding a little bit of the black, creating some grasses. Also I've added same mix of green and black at the top for the sky, and then a little bit more of the details using the same mixture of the colors. Again, creating some grass in the fog, mist. And also I do want to make one tree at the left side, and I do want to make it look like it is blurred. So I'm just adding the paint while the paper is still wet, and that is how the paint will bleed and create soft edges. Also at the bottom adding a little bit more of the black and some grasses. I left it to dry completely, and with this Lebenzon brush, I will link it in the description if you want to check it out. I'm gonna paint tree branches, and I did make those branches already blurred, but this time I want to add some of them with harsher edges, more visible, sharper. So just creating branches, again using green and black mixture. But you can see that those lines are very, very small, they're broken. I don't want any visible or dark branches. I just want to make them look like the edges, the small branches at the very top of the tree, because not the entire tree is visible. And then painting in again a little bit more of the grass, maybe some flowers, some winter flowers, again using that same brush from Lebenzon. Some splatters with the same mix of colors. And then I added a little bit of the floral shapes just with the tip of my brush, adding a little bit more. But remember, this is a winter scenery, foggy scenery, so the colors are quite muted. And a little bit more of the black for some shading. And a little bit more of the grasses. I will also be adding a little bit of the splatters. And with that, I'll be finishing off this painting in this video. Quite simple. I love the colors on this painting. I just love how they interact, how they look together. I love it. I really, really do love it. Hopefully you enjoyed it and love it too. If you do like it, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. I really appreciate that. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!